got the Eagle. And drill some bolt holes. I don't like using bolts. I don't have to use bolts. I'm just kind of showing you how you can use bolts. I'm using a smaller bit. I'll come back with a bigger bit. Use 1/4 inch bolts. Now I'm using a 5/16. You don't want to drill plaster gauze while it's wet. You want to make sure it's cured. Let the drill do the work. Don't push it, don't pressure it. Just slight pressure. I'm not going through any rubber. I've got a video where you torch your bit, burn through the rubber. Anyway, had to back it in the Eagle in the oven at work for a couple of days, good and dry. I think the rubber's good and cured. There's the backing. You can pull from the leg. It's locked in. There's the back piece. And that piece. Two plugs. A lot of times you can drill through, lock in your plugs, and I can come back and do that probably later if I want to, but I don't want to right now. Now, I think my rubber's good and cured. I pushed in at work. It's bouncing back good. Right, I'm going to strip it off the base. That's the tape. Alright. That's the duct tape. Alright, yeah, it's good and cured. See that? Alright. Now, stick in this bucket. Now, do that same, which I'm fixing to. I'll make another video here in a second. I'll cut through that. You can see where the seam starts. Right there. Anyway, thank you for looking.